All right, what's on the bench? I bought some new wire strippers. Bought these with my own money. This is not a paid promotion or anything. I saw these, and although they were expensive, I've been looking for a solution for a problem, and I think these have solved it. So what is the problem? Well, the problem is stripping wire. And, you know, when I first started out in electronics, I used these things, okay? And you can change the little screw here for different size wires, and then you could pull them and strip things, okay? And I learned to hate these things, and I've been looking for good wire strippers ever since, okay? And in particular, the wire that I'm talking about is 22 gauge solid wire for the little breadboards, right? 22 gauge solid, and I keep a little pile here of all little things. Okay, so I've been looking for a solution for this size wire. So for the last 2 decades, I guess, these are my go-to, and I still love these. So these look like a normal stripper. Like let's see if I've got one. See if I've got one behind me here. Where is? Oh, I don't see it right. Here we go. Here we go. So you go to Harbor Freight and you'll get like these Pittsburgh. You'll get like these things, right? And the problem with these is they're great for large stuff, but they only go down to 20 gauge. That's the smallest they'll go. And it's hard to get 22 gauge. But Klein makes these, and these go from 22 to 32. So they're really, really nice for the type of electronics that I do. So these are my go-to. These are on my bench all the time. I never put them away. But still, when you're stripping for the breadboards, you want a particular length of exposed wire. And I kind of have just developed a knack for it. But then I'll usually be too long, and I'll go along and snip it off to make it nice, right? I can by eye tell that that's exactly what I want. So these require some work, all right? And then there are the type of, let me get some fresh wire here. Then there are the type of automatic strippers like these Kaiweets. And while they would work as well, okay, you can set a stop for length, and you could put this in here, and then you could do it, and it would come out stripped exactly the right length. These are giant, they're heavy, they're too big for my hand. I get tired using them. And so they might be okay for maybe big things someday, but they're just too much for me. And then I saw these guys, okay? And this is by Knipex, and what's the model? I guess that's the model number, 1262-180. I don't know if they make any wire strippers different than, I don't know. I just saw them and I said, I want these. I want them. Yeah, 1262-180. There it is, right on it. But these will do wire gauges 10 through 24, so they claim. 10 through 24. So it does include the 22. I was a little worried that maybe on the small side they wouldn't operate very well, but they are automatic. Okay, you put it in, you pull the trigger, and away you go. This little red thing here is a stop. You can slide it in and out, and I have it set for 6 millimeters here, so I should get like 6 millimeters of exposed wire. It goes up to 18. It goes below 6 as well. Looks like maybe it goes down to 5. And so you move this in and out. And then this is kind of a force adjustment on how much resistance it gives. And so it's kind of like got a, can you see that on camera? Maybe not. There's a V-groove, okay, and there's 2 V-grooves that go together and pinch the wire. And they go down until they hit the wire. So they will score the wire a little bit. So maybe for stranded wire, they're not the best, but for the solid wire thing I'm doing, I think they're going to be great. All right. So here's some wire, and You stick it in until it hits the little stop, pull the trigger, and you're done. It's so nice. And these don't take any pressure at all to operate. They're really, really soft in the hand. I like the way they fit my hand. They're nice and round and everything. They're very, very lightweight. So I just love these things. So if you're looking for an expensive wire stripper, this is the one. It does have a little wire cutter up here at the top, which I don't know if that's all that useful, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bunch of, wire. Like I want to make a bunch of jumpers this length, right? And then once you get them all cut out, just stick them in here, and yeah, you'll be done with it, right? This is great. I love this thing. So anyway, I finally found the solution that I've been looking for this simple task here. So yeah, I really, really like these. Like I said, they aren't cheap. I think I paid $45 for them or something. I know, it was ridiculous. It was a lot of money. It was a lot of money. But they do seem like they're going to do the job that I want. All right, well, there you go.